When you are working with steel, composite materials, and other metals, and you need to make accurate cuts without damaging the surrounding material, check out YC Waterjet. As the global provider of Waterjet cutting machines, YC Waterjet is situated in Wuxi City, Jiangxi Province for a great strategic location. The logistical advantages include convenient access to land, sea, and air transportation. This greatly enhances the timely delivery of our goods and also helps customers to save a great deal on freight costs. YC Waterjet has designed and manufactured numerous ultra-high-pressure waterjet cutting machines over the past decade, and we continue to innovate and develop advanced products and enhanced production techniques. This equipment operates with the world's most unique cold cutting technology, making it suitable for cutting any type of material in a diverse range of industries. With a manufacturing plant of more than 5,000 square meters and an office building of over 1,000 square meters, we have more than enough in production facilities to ensure your order will never be held up waiting for production. Our ultra-high pressure waterjet cutting equipment has the features of stable performance, low noise, and no pollution. The manufacturing of our equipment has been perfectly optimized by introducing the advanced waterjet cutting techniques from the world's top brands. We have cooperated with American AccuStream Hypotherm, German KMT, and Italian ECS for a long time. To date, our product has been exported worldwide to more than 40 countries and regions. We have numerous sales agents that are distributed in the UK, Hungary, South Africa, Cameroon, and so forth. Advantages to waterjet cutting include quick transition from drawing to cutting, rapid positioning with few or no clampers. Unlike machining or grinding, waterjet cutting does not produce any steam, dust, smog, fire, or other unwanted substances, thus making operators' environments much more safe in comparison to alternatives. Cold cutting process allows cutting metals without leaving a heat-affected zone. This will eliminate the risk of hardening or thermal stress of the material. In this way, your product is left with a much higher quality level than with other methods. This cutter can be applied to most metal products. It removes the need for secondary cutting. The curve width in waterjet cutting is very small. Fast calibration functions and flexible processing options are provided. This product has been proven to be ideal for use in mass production. When working with CAD or CAW software, it can perform waterjet cutting on almost all materials, enabling the thickness to reach 150 millimeters or more. The complete set of waterjet cutting machine incorporates 5 basic sections: high-pressure system, cutting platform, control system, automatic sand feeding system, and automatic waterjet cooling system. The cutting platform provides a highly rigid structure to support heavy items. It is driven by a servo motor, thus assuring our customers of stable transmission.